I'm DevRow, and welcome to the next devlog. There is a lot that changed, but not much is visible today, because most of the time I was just bug fixing. And there was a lot of bugs. I managed to hide a lot of them during the devlogs. So as you see, there's a new building, which won't be there on GameStart, it's just to present a new feature. In itself, I really can't tell you much today. There are a lot of bugs that I managed to finally kill off. The game runs much more efficient since the last time you saw it. And overall, it's finally fun. It was really hard sometimes. Like the last 2 days, I just wanted to have the game run to a certain point. It was a battle, an uphill battle. So there is really not much to show, except of course I changed the decorations now. Now they are also shipwreck themed. The shipwrecks still work as they are intended. It's now way cleaner here because I don't spread the resources anymore. And overall, we can now destroy buildings. As well, as you see in the top right, we now also can destroy the modules, which will give you back the exact resource amount of the cost you will have while you produce them. Because, yes, I may or may not at one point manage to build one module I wouldn't have built. And then I had to restart the game. And now we have this feature. I thought I could prevent building it in, but no, we need this. Decorations are not destroyable, as well as some of the major components you get from the shipwrecks. They are also not destroyable, because players will softlock themselves very easily in this case. Overall, I'm confident I can do it. I have 7 days left on the whole thing, and then we should have a playable prototype with the whole campaign in it. I will tomorrow now start to expand the campaign if I manage to get one bug fixed today, which is really annoying, and I don't know how this happens. I also started the rework on the AI, which takes a big part of time. But I'm also confident I can do this because we basically collect resources already with the little worklings. I won't show this today because it can still bug out and looks terrible, because the timing is off. I finished the map up there. As you see, there are some trees and some items you can find. The decorations are in. Let me think if I did something else as well. Oh yes, I did. Hang on. Thanks for rebuilding, Bob. So yeah, there's a new feature with this building in particular. It is the Elder Hut, and it's the place where you find your main quest giver at all times, which isn't working yet, but it will. And it tracks your special missions basically. So if you have all of them completed, you can finish the campaign or this mission without completing them, but if you have all of them, you get an achievement or the feeling of accomplishment. So Bob, you can destroy it now. That's definitely a new feature. Thank you, Bob. So yeah, that's it, I guess, for this week. Because I need to fix some bugs. I'm about to stream in an hour or so. Well, if you watch this, I have streamed already. Which means, yeah, it's like 2 hours. Oh, where have you been? Anyway, yeah, that's it for this week. I hope to show more next week, like the upper area of this island. That would be cool if we can show this. And overall, I'm still confident that we can fix all of this if I can get the AI out of the works. And then it's just stringing along the quests and we are done. It should work fine. I hope at least. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, like, share, subscribe. drink some water. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.